Good morning. I gotta hurry up, but this is my swimsuit because it matches the fours. Yeah, I know. But I was wearing the same clothes for half a year, so y'all gonna have to excuse me on this one. I'm putting my lashes on now, and it's nice to finally be able to wear some new stuff. I've been going crazy with the suits. I know y'all saw that one already. But yeah, I'm about to put my hair up, put my lashes on. I mean, it's ATVs. No, I still want to look cute though. I mean, I'm cute without lashes. I know. I'm always cute. But I just want to have them on anyways. Plus that hair is already falling apart, so I may as well use them one last time in the mud. Oh, sorry. Anyways, let me hurry up. About to count the ride over there. Let me heat up my lashes. I'm excited. I did UTVs in Aruba, but this will be the first time doing an ATV, I believe. So I'm excited for all these new experiences. It's really nice. Yo, what's up? I'm feeling like G.I. Jane right now. Feeling like G.I. Jane. Uber's here. We're going a bit away, but yeah. Your girl's outside. We got here at 7:45 on the dot. Called the Uber just in time. Friendly reminder to always call your Uber ahead of time. They were like, it'll be here in 16 minutes. We're like, what? And then we're just hoping he takes the ride because they could still turn down rides if they're not feeling it. But we're in the adventure park. Right. It's a hangout all day and spend money here. Horseback riding. That's so cute. Riders go cards. That's lit. Hey y'all, we here. I'm fixing my lash. Any animosity from earlier is gone. For me, I was just like, don't come on a trip where I'm celebrating my existence and already struggling, alright? And then act like I don't exist, cause wait. I just realized I'm not gonna be understanding about that, but it is what it is. We here now. Very happy to be alive. Big 27, baby. Big 27. Also, people act weird on birthday trips anyways. It's just common knowledge at this point. Those group trip, birthday trip, couple trips, X trips, whatever. Anything birthday, just... Oh shit, he said they calling for us. All right, let me go ahead and go. Main reason he came is because his friends bailed. He gave his friends priority and then they didn't show up. But we here. Y'all, Alien versus Predator type vibes.
Another one just in case.
Passenger princess type vibes as well. On ATVs.
I was on fucking fire.
Use my you can have my glasses. It's called Caravali Tours. They was really cool, professional, and polite. Bring a bandana, long sleeves, sneakers. They'll put it on the thing, but bandana, glasses, and yeah.
Watch please like dirty shit.
I had to dust y'all off. What's up, y'all? Amazing start to the birthday. Oh my gosh. So leaving now was an hour. It was really fun. We stopped by the river and they got food too. Oh, our Uber's here. Stopped by the river. They had like a little hut thing and we were able to get food and all this good stuff. Hey. I'll talk to y'all when we get to the beach because the Uber's here. My lashes are dusty. No, but that's kind of scary though. I'm sure they still let you ride, but I bet it's slippery. I think I'm halfway through the Puerto Rico vlog already, or the San Juan vlog.
Halfway.
You know, yeah. They're 30 minutes long, and I got 2 channels. All the inside knowledge, everything.